A plug-in solar kit can be mounted pretty much anywhere, on balconies, on walls, on your lawn or terrace, on a garage or other flat or sloped roofs. Wherever you place it, make sure to use sturdy materials for mounting it and to screw everything down or put weights on it to avoid rattling or damage during stronger winds. If you're mounting your kit on a balcony, it may be advisable to purchase a model with flexible panels, as these are quite a bit lighter and therefore put less strain on the railing. If you're going to use cable binders for mounting, which is common for flexible modules, use metal ones. You should always buy your mounting system from a specialized dealership, so that in case of any issues you may encounter, you will have a competent contact to rely on.